Here's the lowdown on the 2026 Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 11. But fair warning, it's all speculation and CGI, not an actual model under development. What's real versus renderings? The EVO line ended in 2016, and Mitsubishi has no confirmed plans to bring it back. All existing EVO 11 visuals are fan-made renderings, using platforms like VW's Golf R or retro-inspired design work by digital artists. Common features in concept renders: design language, wide stance, aggressive grille, rally-style wing, flared arches, hood vents, and powders like sharp DRLs. Inspiration: majority of designers channel EVO X proportions while blending in newer cues, EVO 9 face, vortex roof elements. Hypothetical specs: purely fan fiction. Potential engine: 2.0L turbo inline 4, 300, 400 HP, possibly with 48V hybrid system boosting torque to 433 Nm. Drivetrain: advanced S-AWC AWD, twin clutch DCT, selectable drive modes, Brembo brakes, adaptive suspension. Performance estimates: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2S, top speed 167 mph, fuel economy 2028 mpg. Reality check: Mitsubishi is currently focused on crossovers, hybrids, and EVs, not reviving performance sedans. Even fan sentiment, while nostalgic, doesn't outweigh Mitsubishi's stated plans. New Lancer/EVO is unlikely through at least 2028. Final say: no confirmed EVO 11 is in development. Every image online is from renderings and imagination. A 2026 EVO 11 remains fantasy rather than fact. Mitsubishi's roadmap prioritizes SUVs, crossovers, and electrification for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.